The object of volleyball is to win 2 out of 3 sets. You win a set by reaching 25 points before the other team and winning by 2. You earn a point if the opposing team is unable to send the ball over the net or they send the ball across the net on the outside of your court. You must get the ball to the other side of the net using 3 touches or less. Typically, the first touch is an underhand pass that is passed to the setter, who sets the ball high enough for a player to hit the ball down onto the other court. Occasionally, the hitter will tip or gently touch the ball, forcing the players to sprint to the front of the court and dig, or pass the ball.
Hi, I'm Eliza Gross. I play for Downstate Volleyball Juniors, and today Helen has been helping me with my digs.
Hi, I'm Helen Tejada, and I am a renowned volleyball coach. I use physics concepts and apply them to a player's performance to make them better. I'm helping Eliza today with her digs. What Eliza struggles with is the fact that she's not accelerating her body fast enough to get to the ball in time to pass it about 3 meters or 10 feet into the air. We will approach this problem using 3 different physics concepts.
One part of Eliza's problem is that she isn't accelerating fast enough to get to the ball in time. Acceleration is the change in velocity over time. If I time how fast it takes for the ball to fall 1.83 meters, it would be 0.85 seconds, and I could substitute that into d equals VIT plus half AT squared because Eliza needs to get to the ball from 4.57 meters away in the same amount of time starting from rest. In order to be in the proper form to pass the ball straight up, Eliza must accelerate at 12.65 meters per second squared. If she does not accelerate at this value, she will not be in the proper form to pass the ball. Another way we can approach Eliza's problem is through energy and forces. In order to get the volleyball 3 meters in the air, she needs to apply an upward force on the ball to prevent it from hitting the ground. In order to apply this force, Eliza has to do work on the ball by bending her legs before the ball comes to her and then straightening her legs from her bent position to apply a force onto the volleyball. She has to exert a great enough force on the volleyball to counteract the force of gravity and send the ball 3 meters in the air. If she is not bending her knees low enough to straighten them and exert a large enough force on the volleyball, she will not get the volleyball high enough for her teammates.
Another way we can approach my problem is through impulse and momentum. When I'm digging, I'm straightening my legs in order to exert a large enough force on the volleyball for it to go high up. In order to get the ball high, I have to straighten my legs almost all the way to follow through. The momentum with which the volleyball collides with my platform or my arms is the force times the time that I'm in contact with the ball. When I increase the time that I exert a force on the volleyball by bending and then straightening my legs more, I impart more momentum, which translates to larger speeds and more vertical distance that the volleyball covers.
Now that Eliza has learned the physics concepts behind digging, she will be able to apply them during games like this one.